Hello everyone and welcome to our very first Magic Mail Monday. This is my first time doing this, so just bear with me while I go through this, but at the time of filming we're actually 4 days away from our Disney vacation and speechless of how excited we are, but we know it's going to go by so fast. So at the time that this video is up, we are actually currently in Walt Disney World. That will be this upcoming Monday. I believe that's the 30th of August, and on that day we're actually going to be in Epcot, so make sure you follow our Instagram and follow along as we go through this first Magic Mail Monday and our amazing fabulous trip coming up. So I wanted to start out first with a few things that I got from Etsy. So the first item that I purchased for this trip was from Summerfield Streets, and it is a magic band. Not a magic band, I'm going crazy. It's like 8 in the morning. It is an ear holder, so you put the ear through here and you'll actually be able to attach it to your Loungefly, and that will hold your ears when you go on rides, so you don't have to worry about shoving it in your bag. I know Loungeflies are kind of small, so you need this. I'll link this below. I'll link the pattern that I got down below as well. So the next little piece that I got was actually from Amazon. I got this beautiful little necklace. It has the castle on it with Mickey and it's gold. I just thought it'd be a cute little piece to wear in the parks. I don't like to wear like a lot of jewelry because I often feel like it'll get ripped off on the ride, or when I'm wearing sunscreen it'll get all greasy, so I just thought like a cute little $8 necklace from Amazon was totally worth the money. The next piece I got was actually from Sean's mom. So if you don't already know, we're going over my birthday, and she got me this shirt with Minnie Mouse on it, and it says, "It's my birthday." I'm not planning really to wear it to the parks, but I want to wear it the night before my birthday into the morning of to take some cute photos. But she got it from Amazon. If I find it, I'll link it down below. I just think it's really adorable, and purple is one of my favorite colors, so she did a really good job on that. So the next 4 pieces, yes, 4, that I got were from Mini Makers. I'm absolutely obsessed with her shop. She has so many great items: ears, bow bands, knotted bands, headbands, baby bands, name it, she has it. And I was like, you know, I don't know if I really want one. I ended up buying 4. Not my proudest moment, but the first piece that I got was just a solid black. It's velvety headband, so you can wear this. I just thought it was a really cute staple piece. I don't know if I'll bring this one to the park, but I thought in the fall and winter months that this piece would be amazing with a lot of my winter outfits. The next piece I got was this silver knotted bow band, and it has like the little knot right there. Beautiful. It just sits in your hair. I don't have a mirror in front of me, but it sits just like this. I think it's beautiful. I'm probably gonna bring this one on the trip. Outfits are to be determined. It's Wednesday and I still haven't packed, and we leave Sunday, so that's probably something I'll be doing this evening as well. And then the next 2 I'm for sure wearing. I just have to figure out what outfit I'm wearing it with. So I got this bow band, and if you actually look closely, it has the monorails on it. And we actually have breakfast at the Contemporary at the Wave. If you watched our planning video, you need to go watch it if you haven't. And I just thought this was super cute. Definitely gonna find an outfit to wear it with and pair it with whatever I'm wearing that Monday. And then these are the ears that I am the most obsessed with. How beautiful are these ears? They're just white patterned ears. I forget the exact name of it. And they're really cute, and honestly they're really comfortable too. Like, they don't yank my hair. They don't hurt right here. Like, I know all my ears that I have from Disney, they hurt right here. the pressure, and so far I've been wearing these to kind of get ready for the trip and haven't had an issue yet. I don't think I will. Now the next few pieces we got, I actually had to label the 3 of them in bags with names on it. My mom, my dad, and my brother are joining us for the back end of the trip over my birthday, and I had to buy the Magic Bands because they don't own Magic Bands, and they all 3 have Androids. They don't have iPhones, so they can't use the wallet to get into the parks, and I just don't want to wait in guest services when we get there and have to wait to get a physical card. So I actually purchased them just off of Shop Disney Magic Bands. So I got my mom the white one. She just wanted something plain and simple. And then the reason I had to label them is because my dad and brother both got the same color. They got the dark gray. And I just wanted to make sure they were both correctly linked if they end up putting their credit card or whatever on it. And they just got this dark gray color. I mean, nothing special, but definitely had to show you for Magic Mail Monday. It's really hot today. It's supposed to be like 92. And Sean and I went on like a 4-mile walk again last night because we're trying to get all of these steps in before Disney, so our legs aren't so tired when we get there. And it's just been crazy. I'm like dying after 4 miles, and I know I'm about to walk like 20 miles in the park a day. So that's that. But the next piece we got is so exciting. I actually put the video and like a little video of it in our planning video. But it's not getting this in the mail. Like, I'm gonna miss this when they stop like doing Magic Bands, because I feel like Magic Bands eventually are just gonna go away. I love Magic Bands. I'm gonna show you guys actually some of my favorite pins in Magic Bands soon. But the pin that I got, or the Magic Band that I got was the 25th anniversary one. And I'm super excited about this because, as I mentioned, we're going for my 25th birthday. And the last time that I saw this castle, I was like a few months old. So I just think it's really cool to have like a birthday band that's also the 25th anniversary band, and we're going so close to the 50th. I already have like a millennial pink one, so I was like, oh, it's pink. But I'm absolutely obsessed with that. And then Sean, I mentioned, we both love America. So for Sean, since we're going over Labor Day, I thought I'd get him an American one. He actually has a Magic Band from our first trip. It's just like a theme park one with Mickey Mouse on it. But I really like that one. I think it's neat, it's different, it's cool. It's very screams Sean to me, so that's why I had to get that one. And what I wanted to show you guys was a few other of my Magic Bands, and then a few of the pins that I recently picked up. So this Magic Band I actually picked up on our December and January trip. It's just really low key. It's white, has like a castle on it, some fireworks. I just thought it was beautiful. It says where dreams come true. You didn't know that's Disney's slogan. And then this Magic Band is definitely one of the first Magic Bands I bought from the new collection when it came out with Magic Band 2. This is Stitch. This is actually from my college program, spring 2018, and it's the first Magic Band that I bought that had a print on it. So I'm not like a huge Magic Band collector, but I kind of like to get a new one every time I go, which is bad. I won't this time because I got the birthday one, and I have 4 Magic Bands that are Magic Band 2, and then I have one that's like the OG original first generation Magic Band. I have the millennial pink as well. It's just really cute. I have to figure out which day I'm gonna wear it, because I definitely like to match my Magic Bands to my outfits as best as I can. And then I have the OG original first generation Magic Band. I never wear this. Like, I probably will never wear it again, but I have it, which I think is pretty cool. Let's see see what else. I have not a huge pin collector. I mean, it might look like I have, but every trip I go on, I get a new pin. So I have pins from like the cruise line. I actually have some Disneyland 50th anniversary ones. I went back when it was the 50th at Disneyland. And then these two are actually from Disneyland Paris. I was fortunate enough when we lived in Europe to actually be able to go to Disneyland Paris. I basically had to beg it out of my parents when we visited France. But thank you, Mom and Dad, if you're watching this. I appreciate you taking me. And then I have one from each year I've gone to Disney World. So 2012, 13, 14, 15, college program in 18, and then we actually did go earlier this year in 2021. Did not vlog that trip, which is why I'm vlogging this one. And then I just have like a bunch of fun ones over here. And then I have this little cute Disneyland California Adventure keychain, and then also the Stitch one. I used to be obsessed with Stitch. I also went to Alabama, so I have an Alabama pin there. And then Tomorrowland, I worked at Cosmic Rays in Magic Kingdom, so that is from there. Well, I hope that you guys enjoyed this Magic Mail Monday. I'm excited to be in Disney World. I can't believe when you guys are going to be viewing this, we'll actually be enjoying the magic. Please follow along on our Instagram, comment, like, subscribe, ring the bell. Really truly does help, and if you love these videos, you'll get to see even more of them coming up. So see ya and peace.